these cards into rounded figures instead to look more like our mock-up here. It just looks a little nicer in my opinion. So let's first start with removing the border and the background color on the card itself, and we'll put it on the character instead. So let's see, we're in the web, and this would be player list container. And let's see, what class names do we have? Map, logic, HTML. So we have a div, and player status active, clickable, and then we have a card. Tools effect, quarantine, name, card effect, icon, vote list. Okay, so it looks like card is what we're trying to target. Now let's look at player list CSS. Okay, card. So what do we have on card? Border radius 8 pixel. That looks like the card that we're seeing. What else is here? Background color. That's probably what needs to move to probably card icon instead. And is there a border? Yes, there is a border. So we don't need border at all. Background color, we will move to card icon. And let's see, how does this look? Okay, that's somewhat what I want, not exactly. Let's see, what else is there? Let's inspect. Card bear. So this class name is important. We need to move this to the card icon instead of the card. Okay. So let's go here and class name, game winner, player.name, current player status, clickable. What about group? Okay. Card icon class name, card icon quarantine, card icon silhouette. So this image needs more to it. So instead of just card icon, we're gonna have logic here for player character group, and let's remove this logic from character image, maybe no. Let's see. Card icon. Okay. We need to remove it from the overarching card. So it's one of please. All right, well, let's first see what do we have with this change. Nothing changed. Okay, so still card icon. So let's see, this is for silhouette. Silhouette shouldn't have that at all. Okay, back up. Icon. So quarantine character image. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. No. Yes. Okay, so the image has the class name, but we're gonna move this into card icon now. Okay, that's better. And then let's turn it into border radius over here. Border radius 50. So that's okay-ish. Maybe more padding. Padding medium. Okay. And then let's make the font white on the card itself. Font, color, text, secondary. Let's do primary. And whatever this is, also primary that. Background color, primary. So just white font instead of black font. And then for the village, it's more obfuscated. Let's see what that's about. And also, if we had two players, let's put another player in here. Better at 3. Oh, the border radius should go around the card icon, and also that should be transparent background. Okay, a bunch of things going on here. Okay, let's first remove the padding. That's not helping. And go. Okay, and so if we, let's say, flamethrower this guy, how's that look? Oh, not good. Okay. So effects, where's effects? Card icon, silhouette effect, background, color, RGB 000. That makes it transparent. Okay, that's better. And instead of highlighting that, we will highlight a circle instead. I think that was glow. Okay. And selected glow. So we're going to remove that. and put it on card icon. Let's move that up. Okay, but then that also means is selected needs to move from card to elsewhere. I think it needs to be on the card icon, which is way up here. Card icon player group, yes, here. So is selected needs to move up here, higher. Okay. Okay. Oh, it gets cut off. That's not great. And nothing happens to those. This also shifts down. Uh-oh. We're not even going to worry about village yet. Yeah. Let me think about that. We can either enlarge the background div, or we could do overflow show. Let's do overflow show. Card overflow hidden. So instead of hidden, is it show? Maybe not. Visible, yes. Yeah, there we go. So that solves that. It shouldn't shift. So let's see. Margin 0. Or just let's get rid of this line. Better. This needs to get selected. So that was silhouette, I believe. Character image, class name. Copy that. And we have silhouette here, class name, replace that. And let's check this out. Okay, that's good, and that's good. Lastly, village. So village has this on the card. Let's remove that. Instead, we are going to put it, I think, here. Class name, I don't know what that's about, but we'll do that. And keep name. Okay. No. Okay. So what is selected? Go to def. Okay, it's this one. Going back to village selected. Oh, let's go here. And village. Not allowed. Cursor. Include aim. Well. So instead of that being there, it'll be in here. Let's start from top. Okay, so card icon and selected. Card icon and selected. Skip number 2. I think this needs to move. No, that's fine. Wait, what? card icon selected. All right. Let's check. I'll play again. No. Village card icon selected. Village. This is card. So there's really only 2 instances. Let's take this and put it on here. Okay. For mobile, let's do that. Village card icon include glow. Okay. No? All right. Let's inspect. And let's fix this weird padding situation. Oh, I put selected on the wrong thing. I put it on village instead, like the word village. So let's go back to this. This could stay as name, but the village card icon needs is selected. Village card icon, okay. Class name, okay. So we will do that and paste that. Nope. We'll do that. Paste that. This. Put it in the front. And move this up. Okay. There we go. But let's not make it elongated. Let's also have another player, so it stays in the same game. Oh, that's weird, but whatever. We'll get to that later. Okay, so let's go over to Village CSS. What is happening? Border none. Color display flex. Padding top. Maybe this should be margin top. That's less weird, but still weird. And background color maybe shouldn't be white. And better, let's inspect what's going on. So we've got padding 8 pixel. No, that's not it. Font size, margin top. Let's do background color 9. Background color margin 0. Okay, so that's an option. Selecting it is still weird. Border radius. Let's do border radius. 50%. Okay. With, I think I know. With, let's say 150, 100. Let's use our things. Huge, height, huge. Okay, so times 4, I'd say, times 4. Okay, so that's proportional. Maybe this should be 3. Okay, so that's more like that. But how do I get it to be just like that? So I need to know what is the width here. 128. What does that mean? Let's look at card icon over here. Or, well, I could speculate large 4. Yeah, so that's the same size now, but the problem is it shifts. So, village with margin, oh, let's remove that. Okay, more like it. Maybe this could be smaller. That's really small. Large times 3. Oh. And center it. Justify content center. New card icon should be display flex, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. Display flex. Justify content center. Line and center. There we go. So that looks more like that. And okay. These votes don't need to be so far away. That's a lot of space. But is it because of, oh yeah, it's because of the transition. Okay. Reasonable, valid. Or maybe the fire just doesn't have to be that low. But I don't know, it's cool. I think I'm okay leaving it as is. Now the other thing is quarantine. I think quarantine is broken. Let's take a look at what was quarantine flash. So this was applied to card. We don't want that. We want it on the card icon, which is up here. Yeah, here. And that was card icon, and then paste that. Quarantine flash effect needs to move up. So I think that'll fix it. Let's check. Oh, quarantine looks funky. Okay. Yeah. So maybe I could remove the circle. So that is here. Instead of that, let's do this one. Fill with one small letter. That one. Let's do that one. And quarantine very funky. So let's go in game and do that again. Okay, so let's attack you. Let's make sure not to bear. Nope, it's not. So let's attack 2 instead. Okay. All right, so let's check that out. Card icon bear. Oh, this should say quarantine, but it's not. So whatever logic I removed, I didn't move enough of it. Let's look up quarantine. Player status equals quarantine. Player status equals quarantine. Okay. Quarantine flash effect. Player.status triple equal quarantine, then group, then whatever. Card icon. Yeah, there is no padding here. Maybe because that's an emoji. How does that matter? So what is the difference? It is a span as opposed to an image. The class names are the same. That might just be it. And maybe I could give it a width and height regardless of if it's a span or an image. So I go f large times 4, height large times 4. And let's see what that does. Not good. Oh, $sign. For the variable, let's try it again. Okay, so we'll tag 2. The effect's in the wrong spot, so is the emoji. So let's add display flex, align, justify, content center, align items center. Okay. So let's attack 3 next. You're in quarantine. It's not very responsive. Okay, nice. The quarantine flash is working. That X needs to be centered better. So let's see if that is centered at all. Looks like it's not. So span class eliminated. Where is class eliminated? Here. Display flex, justify, content center, line items center. No? Okay. That is to span. Perhaps let's not use that X, but good luck finding that eliminated. Here we go. So that's just a regular X, right? I liked that one, but too bad the circles now conflict. That's interesting looking. Doesn't really suit our style though, so no good. Maybe this. That flamethrower looked weird. Yeah, it did. That should be. Why does it look like that? Okay, I like that better for sure. But that was a weird flamethrower. Let's take a look again. What? Okay. I wonder if it has anything to do with. What did I change here? a lot. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Card icon with display. Maybe that. No. What about this? Yeah. It's out of control. Only the flamethrower is out of control though. So what's the deal? Eliminated. I probably don't need this stuff. Card icon. So we've got centering stuff. Should be okay. Oh shoot. That got removed. Undo. So that was eliminated. Okay, we keep that. What's the deal with this fire? It's insane. Let's go over to Infernal Flamethrower. Maybe inspect that. Card icon effect. Fire huge. Let's do display. Let's justify line items. Start. Nope. Why is it all the way down to here? Fire huge. Maybe. Why is it so big? Okay, so that's card icon effect, and then there's fire huge. When did this start happening? Let's backtrack. Okay, let's start adding things instead. So, I know this is safe. And that's safe, that's safe. Background color, text color, border radius, maybe border radius. I'm not sure about that. This, yes. Background color, yes. Selected, yes. This also, yes. Eliminated, yes. This is village, so that's unaffected. That's about it. So, unless it's something I removed. Didn't really remove anything that should affect it like that. So it's gotta be one of these. Maybe let's comment this out and comment that out. Well, that's not what I was going for. Inspect that. Card icon bear. Card icon for background color. So I removed border radius. I think that was why. So that's better. Let's go to village. Let's play again. That had a background color. Oops. So let's see. That's better. What was it? With. Oh. So card icon cannot do that. That's interesting. But if you're quarantined, you kind of need that. That is interesting. So if I put this back, the fire will look messed up. Or just in the wrong spot. Maybe I could fix it from here. Position relative top 0, left 0. It's just massive. Maybe even negative. So flamethrower is the whole thing. Oh, I see. So fire. So that's card icon, and then that's fire. But so card icon, infernal flamethrower, card icon. Oh, so it's overwriting stuff. Card icon, fire. Card icon, da. Border radius, top left. Okay. Whoops, undo that. Put that back. Let's keep going with this. Left. Okay. Let's move it up. Yes. Okay. And I want to change margin here to nothing. That's better. Okay. I'm quite satisfied with that. Let's look at our diff and apply it to mobile, what we did to desktop. So we removed border. Well, this is going to be tricky. Okay. So let's first remove border from card. Media, border. Okay. Undo this. Okay, so border. Here we go. By next up, changing color to primary, removing background color. Color. Overflow visible. P tag color primary, card icon color primary, and background color and border radius. Wait, let me see that again. P tag color primary, card icon color primary. Okay. With on card icon. Effect RGB00. Effect. Okay. Color RGB00. So we're moving Zombear and Bear into card icon. Illuminated needs to be centered. Right. The card icon is there. Silhouette is in card icon. Should this be in card icon? Card icon illuminated. Card icon. Oh, that's duplicating. Okay. So it should be inside. Okay. And this is illuminated. Okay. Let's see. No, that's wrong. Lost all our colors. So undo. There and Bear silhouette. Goodness, this is confusing. That goes there. Why is silhouette in here then? Maybe it shouldn't be. Okay. Silhouette. Let's take you out and see what happens. looks fine. Okay. So silhouette. Can go there. Okay. And then after that, we've got the fire. And the village. Oh boy, that's the last of it. Fire. Village. Okay, we added height, width, font size, background color, basically everything here. Yeah. Into village card icon. Village card icon. So we've got top, remove, font size, margin, font size, remove, margin, remove, this, remove, but we want the rest of these. Actually, here. Okay. So in terms of removals, did I miss anything? And affects the index -1. What does that mean? I don't know. Village border none. Card icon padding. Font size, blah, blah, blah. Less margin. Village border. Less margin. Okay. So we'll run through it again. Some mobile and some desktop. Oh yeah, mobile is all kinds of broken. Maybe it's not even worthwhile to do that right now because it's so broken. Let's just focus on desktop for now. So that guy got eliminated, but we don't know who he is. So what if we eliminate you, or I'll attack you. And then you're gonna go in quarantine. Oh, that's not centered anymore. Darn. So something's missing here. Card icon, right? Card icon. Display flex. Line item. No, justify content. Justify content center. Line item. Center. Okay. Fire. Oh yeah, that's a problem. Oh boy. So how do I go about this? Let's just play nice with that. But I do need to center the effects. display options. Display. Displayed, insert what, float and position. How can I center stuff without? So like that's fine, but then when we get to the images, they're not centered. So maybe there's not very illuminated. Justify self, I suppose, as an option. Silhouette, Position absolute, and that looks good, but if we go into quarantine, then it's not right. I mean, I could do this, but that's not great either. How about display flex? Justify self-center, align self-center. Oh, it's the effects. Effects. And effect here. No. What about an effect? Let's look that up. Okay, so there's stuff in there. So justify content line items. Yeah, okay. That solves that. Flamethrower still, no, flamethrower does not look okay. Darn it. What about if we, okay, so I might as well put that there. And then for flamethrower, I could do card icon, flamethrower, card icon display default and option. No. Display, let me look that up. What are display options? CSS display. Oh, okay. Block. And my block, so we do block. Okay, there we go. And then if I remove that, it's still centered. Let's go through and attack number 2. Whoa, what just happened? That was weird. Okay, that's all fine. Okay, let's apply this to mobile also. So card icon, card icon here. And on this one, display block. All right, let's commit. Style, players, rounded player icons. And this closes to 20. Let's double check. Removing, making visible. Text primary, border radius, centering, effect. Okay. Okay. Did too much. I'm not keeping track anymore. I think just visually QA, make sure it works for sure. What's this 321? Oh shoot. I think that's undecided. Yeah, this is not responsive at all. Okay, so that's fine. And if I want to do that, that's also fine. Let's do a normal vote there. Tiebreaker. Choose between 3, 2, 1. What? Oh, that's a bug. Well, that's fine. For now, that's a separate issue. You have been eliminated, but you can still win. You are defeated. You have been eliminated. Okay, that's fine. Let's put vote there. Actually, let's go back to village. Start over. That's confusing. Okay, so let's put 3 in quarantine. And then 2. Okay, that all looks fine. Okay, I think we're okay. So we could merge this. That was harder than expected. All right, well, that's that. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, then as usual, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and there'll be more of this. Also, if you have questions, just comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.